Um, you're in. Um, Jojo says they don't hear anyone on your stream.
I'm here. Hello.
Hello. Am I in the right audio output for you
You should be.
on Discord?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Can you hear both of us? Can you hear both of us?
Hello. Check 1 2.
Audio wizardry.
I hate that. I hate that it's like if your wires are positioned wrong, you will get static.
Excellent. Excellent. Static, what's that?
Uh,
What is wire management? I just bunch all of my wires together and then tie a rope around it.
okay. Start.
Then I gotta put. I gotta change. Hold on. Where's my game capture? Is
No.
that it? Is that it? There it is. There it is.
Um. Where are we in Flanor?
Let me move everything to the left.
Oh wait. I don't know why.
And then make us smaller, maybe. We're tiny.
Yes. I think we can like fight one summon spirit maybe, and then I can look for more skit thingies to do. I don't remember where.
Should I put this up here? I'll put it under chat. There we go. How's that? Excellent. Lovely.
So we did the.
Oh no, your background is gray now.
Oh. Boo.
Just make it black. It's fine.
Okay. So yeah, let's get on with the story. I actually, while I was looking for voice clips, saw some cutscenes that I kind of really want to get to.
Man, I turn off my chroma keys on everything. There we go.
Boof.
Think.
Button ASMR. Okay. Where do we need to go?
You're the one with the guide. Let me have.
But I don't know where.
Let me have you up on my screen.
Okay, we have to go back to Silverhunt. Silverhunt, yeah. Oops.
And then have me up on my screen. tops it with banana. I love putting banana on bread.
Yeah.
Very good. No, I won't put tarantulas up on screen. It's fine.
What? Tarantulas?
Toby's talking about tarantulas.
Oh, I'm so mad that we can't see each other's bots.
I know. Put my bots back in other people's.
The only way to get the bot to be seen, I think, is if you make the bot your own account.
Yeah. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's not fun. Where's... it's over here. I have to remember where everything is. Let's hope that the game has had enough time to, like, reset all of its, you know, stuff. And we're not picking up suck anymore.
Oh, yeah. Like the bit pointers fucked up or something. Robotic air rider thingies, right? Ouch! I think every Tales game has like a flying... Oh, where am I?
Oh, wait.
I think...
Let me make sure you're not... well, you should be fine.
Yeah, hold on. Yes, I'm clicked in now.
Can you move your cursor?
Yeah.
Okay. Boys kiss? I don't think there's enough boys kissing in this one, honestly.
The casting. Ouch.
I think there is more... You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, did I do that? Oh my god, that's me!
New button again.
Oh my god. Hold on, give me a sec.
Oh no. Faded at making curry. We're still bugged.
It's fine.
Whatever.
It's fine.
It's not that important, I think. Wow. Wait.
All about this game is boys kissing. Every game is about boys kissing if you try hard enough.
Right.
I do need to be casting spells, but... Is this the water?
No, this is the wind.
Wind? Can I use fire?
Yes. Maybe don't use lightning.
I don't think I have lightning on my...
Okay.
Oh,
we're okay. Wait, where's the save? Is there... No, wait. It's fine. Whatever. I saved outside.
Surely we'll be fine.
Wait, what EX skills does Rain have? Oops, that's Colette. Damn it. Nothing. She doesn't have any compound skills. Okay. I think I want to put Rain in here anyway. But we need
Sheena.
Sheena also.
Can I see my my skills really quick?
Hold on. Dread. Right, we need to.
No lightning?
No, I guess you can use lightning. It doesn't say don't use lightning.
What else do I have? Stone blast.
No wind.
Missed the part with all the yeah, you missed it. It happened earlier in the game. So I have stone blast.
The side skits.
Yeah, I'll just use. Oh no, that was supposed to be lightning. Where'd it go? Okay, okay.
Okay. Have fun.
Before I mess things up.
I also kind of need you to do more melee for this fight than spellcasting.
Okay, I think I only have one melee attack anyway.
Sheena, we're counting on you with Sylph.
Bring it on.
Hell yeah.
Why does the game seem so loud?
Oh shoot. I think mine might be a little bit quiet. Let's up.
Summoner, are you not? We the Sylph already share a pact with Mythos.
They're so cute. It's the Powerpuff Girls. There's always like the tomboy, the middle, and then the super femme.
The super femme, yeah. Oh, they're cute.
I am Sheena.
Yeah.
I love that they have different wings.
Announced thy pact with Mythos
Yeah.
and establish a new pact with me.
Ah, so the next path maker's finally here.
Hmm?
Okay then, we'll test out your power!
I wonder if they're all voiced by the same person.
I was about to ask.
Make their voice different. We don't all have to attack the same, the diff separate things. We need to focus on
One.
the one with the shield
Okay.
if we can.
Go all out. Watch out for the map.
You can hold
Is it Z?
trigger.
Right
No.
trigger.
Right trigger to change your target.
Ouch!
Hold on, I'm gonna use.
Victory like hunting beast.
Photon! Fire seal!
Damn, I must be a demon spear.
Huh? I didn't even use any.
Got the face.
Oh, we're dying!
Damn, I must be a genius.
I must be a dang genius.
You know what I didn't do? I didn't equip us with hold on, let me see if I have
Just pulling weapons off of people in the middle of battle. Take off your clothes!
hold on, I gotta give this to
Luke! Happy New Year!
Ooh, Happy New Year. Do we have anything that
I'm gonna click out really fast.
okay.
You know, audio. Just a tad. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
I hope you
guess
happy Hans year.
we have
It's the year of the whores.
whores.
Year of the whores. It's our year. Let's go.
Heck yeah.
The year of the whores.
Wait, where's that one that reduces my TP?
This is very Mega Man-y.
Yeah.
I feel like.
I think we said that before.
Yeah. It still is.
Okay, whatever. It's fine. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ow.
Hunting beast.
Don't get in my way. I call upon the red
Sword
giant.
rain.
Don't
This
move
takes
my way.
concentration.
Oh, I'm getting hit.
Come, different.
I'm trying to heal Sheena.
You could just use an item.
Healing wind.
What? Why would I do that when I could
Zelos' healing spells suck.
listen?
Wait, she's dead. Okay.
Oh, excellent.
I kind of want to get rid of this one.
This.
Sword rain.
Ow!
Hunting beast.
Heck yeah. Nope. You like
Ow.
when Sheena says come. Happy New Year. Is this the tails? Yeah.
Ready for this? This takes concentration.
Oh, it won't let me cast. They said no.
How?
Nope.
Wait, that
Happy,
one's still alive.
happy New Year's.
Okay.
Laying down a bit before you die trying to make a website. Yo, Luke, let's go.
And I have to refresh my manager.
Nice broom. I like her broom. I love her broom.
Yeah.
Does Zelos get a toy shield?
Not that I know of.
Oh, okay.
It's just that sword. Year of the horse.
It's the year of the whores.
This game ruined your life as a child. You beat Marble as an adult. Oh no, wait, you got beat up by Marble?
Oh no!
I'm sorry.
You're strong.
I'm impressed too.
Marble, yeah, she hurt. Marble hurt.
Marble does fucking hurt.
Have what you seek. Now make your vow.
I don't know if that added.
That's for me. You have to add it in your own chat.
Oh, never mind. I thought that was for me.
No, it's for me.
I want to create a place in which the two worlds no longer must sacrifice one another.
These fairies think they're the Powerpuff Girls, right? I
They-
said that before you came in.
They do be the Powerpuff Girls. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Understood. But please keep to your vow. We do not wish to be betrayed again.
What did Mythos do?
Yeah. You returned the rental hardest game you ever played. No.
It's been like what, 4,000 years? How's it going? Looking good.
Oh, I love Gnome.
It has been a long time, hasn't it? It seems that the mana flow between us has been severed.
He's so bouncy.
Yep, there's gonna be an earthquake here in a bit. After all, we just basically ripped out the mana link. Hello?
Who is this? This is Gnome.
I don't remember that.
Pretty much sums it up.
Gnome is like the best summon spirit.
Gnome's got a bow on his head.
Everyone, see y'all later.
Okay, later.
But
Bye, Gnome.
Sheena should just summon all of the summon spirits so they can have a party.
So they can hang out.
Hello, yeah.
Man, remember when renting games was a thing?
Just one
Kinda
more to
missed that.
go.
Do you really think Silverant and Tetheala will be cut off from each other forever?
We're
Forever.
gonna do this regardless, right?
Yeah.
But if the Riards stop working after we form the last pact, we're going to be stuck in one world or the other.
Oh, yeah.
The people of Mizuho wish to move to Silverant. There has to be something we can do.
I suggest we do some investigation on the effects of separating the worlds.
before we formed the pact with the final summon spirit.
How many we got left?
It seems as though the shaking has increased in magnitude.
So like, are these like strings holding things together and we're just snapping them one by one, and now there's like one string holding these two giant balls together? Crypto-bee! Gamers, let's go!
How many more summon spirits do we have? Well, one to move on like with the story. And then there's Asuka, and then I don't know if you remember the very, very last one. Crypto-bee.
I don't.
Between the severing of the mana
You
flow
don't.
and the
I don't. I don't remember anything about this game.
I also didn't remember the very last one until I was looking for Kratos' voice lines.
I guess the worlds are struggling to split apart.
Is it Martel?
It's not Martel. Sorry.
Can you imagine? I summon God. I summon God.
I mean, you know, technically it's. I don't want to spoil it, but
It's fine. It's fine. Is it a tree? Don't answer that. Don't answer. It's not a tree.
It's not the tree. What's the final summon spirit? Wrong answers only.
Sephiroth.
Sephiroth. Sephiroth is in a bit.
Was it Zelos who just gets free shit for talking to women? Yes. Yes, it's Zelos.
It is. He gets a title if he talks to every single woman in like the game. The slut title.
The slut title. Let me just use fireball. Fireball. Fireball.
Every woman,
Fireball.
yeah, like every woman that you can access anyway. Oh, I forgot about that. Sorry. We're gonna die.
I don't know if it's...
Crying.
He's probably begging. I don't know if it's possible to die to spikes. You just go down to 1 health.
Maybe. Name every woman.
You like women?
I don't think Zoe can even name every woman.
You think he remembers the names of every woman? What if he's like Zidane? Like, when are we gonna go on that airship date? What airship date?
Oh no!
He could, but he'll get all of them wrong. He mixes them up.
Yeah.
He just goes outside and is hot for 5 minutes and pays rent that way. The dream, living the dream. That's my dream. Living the dream. Just chosen things, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Do you want to try reading skits?
I can read really fast, yeah. I
Okay.
can read really fast. You go first.
So it seems not all summon spirits just stay in one place.
It's truly a fascinating subject. If only I could find a way to capture and study it. I love it.
Hey, I won't let you do anything like that. Corinne hated that.
I know, but I can't help my scholarly curiosity.
Rain. I hope Asuka doesn't run away because of this.
Asuka's the burb, right?
Yeah, but
The
we're
burb.
not getting her yet. Zelos, you should look at a site called OnlyFans.
Oh man! Zelos OnlyFans, can you imagine?
I mean, he totally has one. We were
Absolutely.
talking about how there's absolutely Zelos themed skincare products in Tetheala.
Only Zel's the lonely fans.
The lonely fans. Every freaking billboard has Zelos's face.
Can you imagine giant billboards with his giant face on there?
He gets paid royalties.
Fun little voice acting. Yeah, we tried to do voices. They're not very good, but you know. It's fun.
If I could remember where the desert is.
Man, if you hated Zelos and you saw his face every day on a billboard, like,
Oh my god.
That would be my Joker origin story.
Every man in Mel Tokyo.
Every man.
Unless you were gay, then I guess maybe not every man in Mel Tokyo.
Zealous is one of the girlies. That's why he gets women so easily. Because he's one of them.
I'm gonna see if I can find some special
Rival origin story. I hate this man. And then you become rivals. That's like peak origin story.
Actually, we're supposed to get...
Luke says my voice is a little bit quiet on your stream.
Okay. It was like really loud last time, so I turned it down. Okay, say something.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Maybe
I wish we could gamble. Come on, I'm old enough.
So in the PlayStation version, you can gamble. That's how you get one of the cursed weapons.
Oh, that's the wrong button. Did I remove something from my... I'm missing number 8. Uh-oh.
Number 8?
Oh, maybe I don't have... Is there really only 7 emotes? Sorry. Go halfway between what you turned it up to. And then it'll be perfect question mark.
Maybe.
You have the Luke and Guy tumor snakes.
Yeah.
We got them from the Spriter's resource and then had to watch them up to to make them talk.
I'm trying to see if I can activate the next cursed weapon thing. I can't remember if it was here. They're supposed to be...
Are we able to... We're able to uncurse the cursed weapons, right?
Yeah.
Are they stronger than the toy weapons?
I think so. Because the toy weapons are the second strongest weapons.
Dang.
Oh, what am I gonna do?
What's wrong?
Oh, it's a sad, sad tale. I lost my entire fortune at the casino over there.
Isn't that your own fault?
You did that with Gumshoe? Oh, man. Don't say sad things like that. Hey, do you like kendamas?
Yeah.
Oh, what a coincidence. You see, I have a rare kendama on me.
Is it cursed?
I'll sell it to you for 1,000 gold.
I mean, it's not like we don't have money. What?
What if I say no?
No fucking way, man.
Please don't say that. It's really cool.
10 bucks, but it's 10 bucks.
10 bucks.
I'm not interested.
Oh,
Yo, Slifer!
you forgot Genius believes in personal responsibility and everything bad that happens to you is because of your bad decisions.
You know, that does make sense. Slifer, Silvers! Oh no. This might be the wrong... Hold on. This doesn't have all of my shit.
Slivers.
Good night, Silvers. Happy New Year. Happy New Year the 2nd?
New Year the 2nd. Wait, what are all my other buttons? Hamish is still crying.
They do still be eating down there.
Ooh, your frogs. Yeah.
Oh, that's the wrong... Oh no.
Okay, good night, Slippers. Have a good sleep.
Hold on. I think I messed up my
Guys,
save a little bit.
Frogs.
Guys, scared of frogs? No.
Uh-oh. Do you want to fix it? I can read while you fix your stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, do that.
I'm not interested. Oh, what am I going to do about living expenses for this month? Wow, he didn't give it to me. I beg you, please buy this kendama. Think of it as an act of mercy. If you don't buy it, they spelt buy rum. If you don't buy it, I'm going to jump into the ocean.
Oh, bro, you have so much to live for.
So much for 1,000 gold. What gald? What can you buy with 1,000 gald?
Not a house, I'll tell you that.
Okay, then die.
Okay, then die.
Thank you. Come again. Huh? What is it? This is a devil's arm. You're right. Disaster. Why is it called disaster?
Why is it called disaster?
See, I told you this was a cool item. Ever since I got this thing, my luck plummeted into the gutter. I mean, anyway, it's really amazing. Bye now. Bye. We bought disaster. He went into the casino.
He went right back into the damn casino.
I guess he doesn't learn. This guy. Lloyd. What are you doing here, Abyssian? I've got some information about the Devil's Arms. Do you know where the next piece is? No, I heard that the Devil's Arms sometimes choose a particular person, transforms them into a magic swordsman, and enslaves them for life.
Huh?
Wait. I remembered Persea and grew worried. Does that mean the Devil's Arms have chosen me? No, I won't allow something like that to happen. Yeah, don't worry, Persea. It's only a legend. As long as you don't hear whispers from the items, I think you'll be fine. Persea, do you hear anything? No. That's good. The rest of you, please be careful as well. Bye. It's not too late. We can throw him into the ocean. The voice of the items. Wait, what's hot, Luke? You straight up do not remember this Abyssian dude? Well, what is it? The Devil's Arms quest is a side quest that you can miss. It's easy to miss. You can beat the game without meeting Abyssian. They've chosen her to be sent straight to hell.
Hold on.
There's also another event. Getting enslaved by a weapon for life hot. Oh yeah. It's like what's that anime? The one with the girl and the scythe. Soul Eater.
God Eater? Soul Eater? God Eater?
Wait, we're on the 5th floor. God Eater. Did y'all play God Eater? Didn't they just release a remaster?
I think
God
this is
Eater,
the
Soul
one that I
Eater.
was missing.
When will we have dinner at Super Eater?
Okay, I think I have all my faces.
I know they just did Freedom Wars remaster, but the Texas speech that they used for the English version was like terrible.
Rip Freedom Wars.
Yeah. There isn't a bridge here, is there? I need to find a bridge. I think maybe they were talking about the bridge at the beginning, in the front. Okay, I think we can't activate it yet. Water trains, yeah.
I have an angry face, right? I do.
I guess we can't do that yet. Okay.
Yeah, I
Guy's
think.
angry face.
Yeah, he has one angry face. I think that's everything. I don't know what happened. Oh no. Did it again?
Is it?
Oh no, I guess there isn't a 9? Do I really only have 8 faces? Think so.
I think I might have gotten this one already. Oh, no. Here we go.
I can talk. Am I Genus?
Okay.
I'm in charge of cooking today, so look forward to it. So what do you want to eat?
Anything's fine. Anything's fine.
Come on, that's not fun.
But I like everything you make.
Oh, cute.
Chicken nugget.
Really? I also want chicken nugget. Sorry.
Wait, do we have chicken nuggets?
Do we have dino chicken nuggets? I feel like I ate them all to make room in the freezer.
You're a really good cook.
Yeah, well, yeah, I do most of the chores around the house.
Wait, what does Rain do? Then when do you study?
At school. Me?
Oh my god.
That was me in college.
Lloyd asking Genus for chicken nuggets. No way, then your grade should be the same as mine.
But, hey, you don't study even at school. Lloyd, please. Gina said skill issue.
Deleting dino nuggies to make room for chicken tenders. Oh man.
Oh man. Chicken tenders do sound a bit more filling than nuggies. You're only awake during lunch and PE.
I'm also awake during art.
Oh, Lloyd, an artist? Is that something to be proud of? You do a lot better just paying attention in class. Hey, Genus.
Rude. Lunch and pee.
P. P is my favorite. Is my favorite school subject.
Studying is for chumps.
Huh? You're gonna get beat up.
What's the point of school anyway? I mean, do I really need to know math? Kind of, Lloyd. Aren't you a blacksmith?
Of course, you use it every day. Well, not calculus, but like, you know, addition. If I can, if the numbers are larger than the amount of fingers I have, I don't want to do it. Except I do be using cash more often now, so I do be doing math.
Oh, good. Is there a house of guidance nearby here? Oh, that's the Tower of Salvation.
4. Turn up N a bit. Here, say something.
Yeah, my mic is a little bit quiet.
On, say something again.
Hello, something. Check 1 2. Is this the House of Salvation?
Is it getting louder?
Is it getting louder? It's kind of hard to turn it up on OBS because
I do have it
all
capped.
the
I can.
sounds are-
Seems the same. Okay, let me just turn the filter off. Okay, let me turn these
They
filters
don't
off. How about now?
separate our voices. Hello.
How's that? Yeah,
Since we're
I'll just.
talking through Discord, it's all coming through one audio source. We're not speaking through different microphones connected to
The
the
game
same
got louder
computer.
too. Yeah, the game got louder too because I turned off the compressor and the filter. We're being attacked.
This is gonna be a piece of
Yeah. Hold on, I'm looking for something.
That was disappointing.
Oh, I guess we're out of
I'll need to turn them up on Discord.
ingredients.
Yeah, I turned off my limiter. I turned off my limiter, which limits not only the game audio but also Discord audio because it's all coming out of the same stereo, the same sound source. Because I don't have a thing, not a turntable. What's that called?
An audio mixer.
I don't have an audio mixer. Genghis, limitless audio. Let's go.
Thank you, Kaiton, for the follow.
Happy New
Also,
Year. I hope you're having a
Happy
good
New
one.
Year.
Oh, that's the wrong one. Happy.
South. South? Like all the way south? I also...
Yeah, let me just turn you. Let me turn you all the way the fuck up. That's stream volume.
Is it here?
Hold on.
Oh, there.
Say something.
Something. Hello?
How's it? Okay, I'm just gonna turn you way the fuck up.
Wait, this isn't the right one.
Wait, let me turn my filters on. Say something again.
Hello.
How about now? Is that good or is that bad?
Am I louder now? Thanks, Lug. By the way.
There, I have you up at 200%. Is that loud enough? Is that loud enough?
Nice. Thanks.
That sounds great. Good. Excellent.
Am I buzzing on our stream now?
It doesn't matter. I don't care.
Do you have your VOD sound on, by the way?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh wow, Sheena's crying.
Wow. Joshi, you want N screaming in your ears actually?
You want me to scream? Okay.
What? No, I'm not crying. Aw, Sheena. I just remembered the past. You ever remember the past and start crying?
Oh, yeah. All the time. The past?
Yeah. Hey, Lloyd. You were banished from your village, right? How did you feel when it happened? Was it painful? Was she banished?
Well, yeah, but it was my own fault. I don't think she was. My pain is nothing compared to the people that died because of me.
That's true. But if it's still painful and it hurts, what are you supposed to do?
Just wait, unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Go do laundry.
Followed us a while ago, but have been off Twitch for a long time.
Well, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Twitch.
Yeah, welcome back to Twitch.
I hope you're having a lovely new year.
Yeah. Just cry. Lloyd's got the...
Some solid advice there.
Yeah. We're friends, aren't we? If something painful happened, I'll be there for you.
Thanks, Lloyd.
Twith.
Twith. Welcome to
Twith.
Twith.
I feel like maybe this one isn't gonna
You're
shoot.
drunk. As long as you're not driving and you're having fun.
Yeah. So this is a House of Guidance. I don't know if I saw a...
I had breakfast, but I didn't have lunch.
Oh, wait, there it is. Wait, now.
More battles?
Ooh.
Right, I've got it. Ray!
Oh, cool. Oh, lovely.
I'm pushing the wrong button. I'm like, how come I'm not casting? I have to farm both streams for channel points. Just mute one of us, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
What happened to you?
I got angry, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, what happened to my stun charm?
Lost it. Dropped it.
Oh, I...
Oh no! Joshy!
What?
You can't give chili dogs to Guy, I'm sorry.
Oh. Why is Hamish barking? Make sure to mute tab, not video. It's fine.
It's
We're
fine,
sharing
it's fine.
viewers anyway.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't really... I don't even know if that's like an actual thing. Like anything that comes out of fucking...
Yeah. Like everyone has these like, here's how you can lurk efficiently, and it's kind of like every day it changes. They're like, if you have them in tabs on the same window, it doesn't count. Or like if you're clicked out of the window, it doesn't count. And I'm like, well
So
how are they? If you leave your computer screen, it doesn't count.
Oh my god.
How
I
do
turned
we
these off.
like? How do they? Are they like watching me? You know? So like I don't know. I'm just like whatever, man.
Do
The
whatever you
numbers
want.
The numbers on Twitch lie anyway. You have to jiggle your mouse properly to work.
They have those eye
Yeah, no,
trackers.
it's okay. It's okay, Cryptobe. It's very common for people to say that, so I honestly don't know if it
If it's
actually
true or
matters.
not.
But you know, every little bit helps, I guess. We should
Yeah, I
do this
don't-
anyway. Yeah.
When it
I don't know,
comes to
it's weird.
Twitch, I don't know what's misinfo and what's real anymore. So anytime something like that comes up, I just have to complain about it. It's nothing on your character or anything, and everything on Twitch's end.
I don't know why algorithms need to be so mysterious. You know,
Babby,
it's like,
Babby Zellos?
baby, what were you like as a kid?
I was both handsome and smart. A prodigy. Well, duh, I was born like this. Absolutely.
Jesus. Prod easy? You were easily prodded?
The fact that you're serious is what makes you scary.
Just assume thousands of people are watching you and they're all lurking. Yeah.
Just assume, oh my god. Thousands.
You have ours tab muted and my tab unmuted. That's why nobody. That's why the volume didn't change. First it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Hey, don't make fun of me.
Easily brought in. Yeah. Anyway, I was an idol known throughout Mel Tokyo. Idol AU.
Idol.
An idol. Do you think he
Oh,
dances and
is that-
sings?
Okay. It's fine. Oh, you just did that right now. It's fine.
You think he sings? He sings and dances.
I mean, I don't know. If you're the chosen and you're not an idol, like, what's the
Doing
point?
Zealous doing the umapyoi.
Yeah.
Give me that mod.
That's what I don't get. The mod, the Uma mod for all the 3D models. That's what I don't get. You're funny, but why do girls go for
What
it?
does that mean?
It's because he's funny, Lloyd.
Are you jealous, Lloyd?
No, it's not that.
He's totally jealous. I didn't understand it either, but I did find out soon enough.
Why?
It's because I'm the chosen.
You know, he's not wrong.
He's not wrong, yeah.
So?
What do you mean, so?
I don't think it matters if you're the chosen or not.
Oh, I love that face. Those are such cajoling words. Cajoling?
I forgot
you-
Zealous is at the top of his class.
He is. If you want to think that way, then that's fine.
I was like, how do you know what cajoling means?
Of course he knows what cajoling means. He also knows what is that? Easy penetration, whatever the fuck he said.
Wait, wait, I already
Prodigy.
forgot what he said. Prodigy. He must be. That's right.
I didn't remember what he said. I meant prodigy.
Prod easy.
Easily prodded.
There should be.
Would you be mad if I went to get a bowl of rice like right now? I'm kind of hungry.
I guess you could go get it first.
I'll be right back.
I'm gonna look for this. It's there. I think I'll just have to wait for our come back. Ooh, whoa! Uh-oh.
This is gonna
Rice eating stream? It's okay. Wait. I'm just gonna put Zealous on auto. Wait, I think these monsters are actually really high level. Ah, dang it, we missed. Not enough boys kissing because they're busy doing something else. Yeah, the world is ending and there's no time to kiss boys.
That's it?
Octopi, yeah.
Start it.
We could wait for R, or I could just read all of this. East Penetrator? What did you miss? Don't worry about it. Yeah, the octopus look really interesting. They're like the Octoroks in Legend of Zelda. It's a habit for you at this point to just mute tabs. Yeah, me too. I don't mean to sound critical of your habits, Cryptobe, because I do the exact same thing, even though I don't even know if it works or not. They can definitely detect viewers who are muted, but there's also no evidence that muting makes you not count as a viewer, right? At this point, I'm like, the moment I leave my desk, Twitch is like, oh, you're not a viewer anymore. I'm like, okay. Oh, did you all see that? What is it? That Linux feature that if you're like if you lose your mouse and you're like jiggling your cursor to try and find it, the cursor gets bigger. Twitch ads, ugh. Oh yeah, our has auto ads so that they don't, so you don't have to, you know. You're free. You don't blame the streamers. Yeah. We make do with what we've got. I would love to try and, you know, give people as few ads as possible. The downside to running my own ads is that if like there's a disconnect or something, and thank you for the stretch, and you have to like refresh, you have to watch the ads again.
Hello. Hello, Val.
Hello.
I'm back.
Hello.
Curate the ads. Give me those pennies.
Yeah. You want to run funny ads, right? So then like the ad people have to compete for the streamers, you know, instead of streamers competing for ads. Which I don't think even happens actually, you know. Like that would open up a whole new market.
That sounds
like, you know, we have to advertise a certain way so that streamers will want us on their stream.
that sounds bad, to be honest.
True. But also being able to curate your ads.
True, true. I only want ads for Blaha Blast on my stream. Blaha Blast. My Blowhigh Blast. Ass? Blowhigh ass?
Ass? Does Blowhigh have an ass?
I mean, it's got a poop, right?
Oh, you're right.
Local
like
access
fun.
ads from the 80s.
Heck yeah.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I would love to run ads for like local businesses, but then that would also like dox me. You know?
I know, right? Running ads for the local library in like a different country than you.
Advertisers trying to court streamers would be the return of Quark Chunkus advertising. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, they're already using memes and stuff to try and pick up, you know, the new generation of kids. Or not kids, but like young adults.
immediately
Talking about shark
starts
ads.
talking about shark ads. Listen.
The goofy Japanese commercials, the cup noodle commercial.
Oh man, and what's that?
the one
The
with Sephiroth.
what was that one with like the? It was like the long candy rope stick, and it was like this really long like wedding commercial.
Long man. Or
Long man, yeah. And then I want to run like the commercial where there was it an energy drink, and it was like about these two guys, and this one guy was like wingmanning for his best friend, for this girl, and like
I remember that.
you don't remember that one? Oh man, it was so gay. Because
The
like
only thing you've had today is apple pie. Go eat, Cryptobe.
go eat another apple pie. Go eat another apple pie.
Most
Different
people who
video
watch
game.
you aren't Japanese. I mean, you know, there are Asian markets around the world, right, that sell Japanese groceries, right? Different video game ones. Okay. Why can't you swim, Professor?
Didn't take the apple pie home. I can swim.
Liar. You're afraid of the water.
That doesn't mean she can't swim. I am not afraid.
Why do you try to act tough? Professor?
Oh. When I was with my mother and father, we were being chased, so we fled onto a ship. Oh no.
Oh no.
But the pursuers soon caught up to us and I fell into the ocean. Oh no. It was winter and the water was painfully cold. Whoa, suddenly we're like... I was swept away by the currents and I thought I was going to die.
I'm sorry, Professor. I didn't realize you had such a big reason for your fear. Don't worry. If something like that happens again, I'll save you.
Aw.
I'm a pretty good swimmer.
Well, thank you, Lloyd. I'm counting on you.
That's cool.
Cute. Sad, but cute. But suddenly therapy session?
Yeah, damn, Professor, we didn't ask for a deep, serious flashback. I mean, these special cutscenes are usually pretty deep.
I think Lloyd just kind of, yeah, Lloyd just kind of brings that out in people, like.
Let me see if the Toys Valley Mines ones showed up. Where's the mine?
I don't know anything.
The mine is where all the gnomes were.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, no. Not all the gnomes. Sorry, wrong one. Wrong mine. Wait, but this is the Toys Valley Mine, right? Yeah.
Man,
There's supposed to be one.
how does my uncle make things so, like, smoky? His barbecue is so smoky.
Oh, liquid smoke.
Like, for real, for real?
Yeah. Or, well, he also uses charcoal. Like,
Rez,
probably his charcoal.
Rez,
hello.
thank you for the 3 months. Hell yeah. Happy
Like
New
Newbie
Year.
Jones? No, she's our best healer. So where from Toys Valley Mine? East side of the continent? Wait. I think we got the one by the pier.
Sounded like a scripted ad for Liquid Smoke. Buy my Liquid Smoke. It's delicious. Makes your barbecue extra smoky.
You know, Guy would know about liquid smoke.
What are you talking about?
Extra smoky. I love liquid smoke. It's, I don't know, it's very convenient. It's very tasty.
Guy
It
knows how
reminds me
to
of my mom's cooking.
Guy knows how to cook, but I don't know if you think he's a barbecue kind of guy.
Yeah, why not? You don't think he grills things over a fire?
Oh no, you're right. You're
And
right.
he also loves phone tech. There's absolutely like a phone tech grill out
Barbecue
there or
grill?
some shit. Yeah. Toby knows. What did I miss Toby saying this time?
Let's go. This stream is brought to you by the Whompty Dumpty Dom Center
Oh, I see.
and the Wubby Dubby Sub Center.
Okay, so we got the one by the pier. Southwest?
Why run ads when I can run my own ads?
Right.
I would kind of hate that.
Sponsored by Liquid Smoke.
Sponsored by Liquid Smoke. I would actually kind of hate that.
True.
You know, those glad that they're sponsored, but those YouTubers that have to put like 5 minutes of ads in the middle of their videos.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is the one we got already.
If I did N ads and N did R ads. You put liquid smoke on your cereal. Are you being for reals? Are you being for serious? Are you bringing cereals? Liquid smoke is so expensive though, like.
It kind of is, yeah. I mean, you're not supposed to use a whole lot.
Dumping the whole fucking bottle of liquid smoke in my cereal. You're joking. Put in the comments what you use liquid smoke for.
I feel like I got this one.
You can make your own, but it's a process. It's a process and you need specific equipment for it, if I remember correctly. Liquid smoke isn't the doctor recommended toothpaste.
Ooh. Rare pellets.
Why is your doctor recommending toothpaste?
You're in for a world of hurt.
Oh, my controller.
Oh, sorry, I disabled your...
Oh, it's okay. I was clicked out anyway.
because we got attacked by octopus.
Ready for this? Stone. All right.
Oh no, Toby causing trouble. I think we got this one too.
Toby remembers.
Toby always remembers.
Liquid smoke is recommended by 5 out of 10 dentists. 5 out of 10 dentists for healthy teeth. Use 3 times a day.
I mean, I guess it's better than fucking radium in the 80s.
Oh.
Whatever.
Want glowy teeth? Shiny glowy teeth?
Okay. No.
Radium.
Radium, yeah.
The dentist did not recommend them as a toothpaste. They just recommend them for cooking. People's jaws would fall off. Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
Dang it.
Oh, dang it.
This is gonna be cake.
And then, like, the one dude whose jaw, like, fell off, like, they had to exhume his body and then, like,
Ready for this?
put him in a lead-lined coffin
Oh,
because his body is still radioactive.
oh
Like, and
Jesus.
it's gonna be radioactive.
What did he
for
do?
the
Did he
next, like,
drink it?
1,000 years. I think he was drinking it.
Oh, Jesus. I wonder if Silverant would become like Tetheala if peace continued for 800 years.
Tales of Symphonia is sponsored by Cake.
Sponsored by
Radiant
Cake.
Painters at the watch company.
Oh,
Yeah, the glowing
no.
girls or whatever.
Yeah, those poor girls.
Maybe.
I'm so excited.
Maybe Azalea will become 10 times bigger. I hope not.
I'll probably get lost. Oh, Colette.
Yeah, but it'll be more fun to play hide and seek.
Yeah, that'll be really fun. Whoa, they're still playing hide and seek.
I was gonna say, Lloyd, you're 17, but honestly, I think when we were like teenagers, we still played hide and seek.
Yeah, true.
also.
Watch Company was using radium to paint glow in the dark on watch faces, and something like 70 to 80% of the women painters had some form of jaw cancer because they'd use their mouths to make the tips of their brushes taut. Oh, I thought they were literally like putting it on their teeth because it made their teeth glow in the dark and shit. But that also makes sense. That makes sense.
No, no, I thought it was just because they were, you know, exposed to it, but also, you know, the putting the brushes in their mouths.
Yeah. I mean, even nowadays, I don't put brushes in my mouth.
Yeah, oil paint is toxic. Oh, but I'm too old to be playing kiddie games, though.
No, you're not. Really? Oh, I guess we won't be alive 800 years from now.
I mean, Colette might. Oh, that's right. Damn, I really wanted to play.
We can play now. I'm so glad. Or so you did want to play. I'm glad. Sorry, I'm reading way ahead. Like my brain reads really fast, and then my mouth tries to catch up. You made a sandwich.
Kind of paint that isn't toxic in some form.
Watercolor.
Tempera.
Watercolor.
Watercolor, kind of.
Usually,
it depends, but you
like the
I
kid
mean,
safe
you know,
ones
if you
from like
eat-
Crayola.
Yeah. If you eat enough of anything, you know, it'll be toxic. Yeah. You
Yeah.
made a sandwich? What kind of sandwich? I don't know what modern tempura is made out of, but it used to be made out of egg.
Eggies. I probably
Eggies.
wouldn't eat it anyway because you don't know how old those eggs are.
Yeah, and it depends on what you use to dye it. Islands in the northwest Tetheala. You know, I always forget that the world is round.
The world is round, but the map is flat. Tempera is one of God's gifts unto mankind. I agree.
You mean the deep fried food?
Like
I'm talking
tempura
about the
shrimp?
paint. Tempura?
Tempura shrimp.
Deep fried anything, yeah. I love deep fried food.
Me too. Me too. I won't turn down anything that's deep fried.
I mean, of course, you know, it's hard to eat too much of deep fried food, but you know.
Awfully unhealthy. Listen, just use olive oil. It's fine.
Olive oil is like the worst thing. You can deep fry stuff.
But it's healthy.
But listen, you know, one or two deep fried foods is not going to kill you. You know, stress will kill you faster than unhealthy food.
Tempura shrimp. Give them a raise. Tempura shrimp.
Stress will kill you faster than any cupcake or deep fried food ever will. So
You nearly broke a tooth in Japan. Man, that would have been crazy. Like, can
Oh,
you
no.
imagine?
Ooh,
How do you
That's
find like
terrible.
an emergency dentist in Japan to like fix your tooth? Otherwise, you're just on painkillers for hope you don't get an infection.
overcooked olive oil is. I don't know if it's bad.
That was
or
a-
unhealthy. I think it just
It
ruins
smokes.
the olive oil.
Yeah, the smoke point is really low, but that was kind of a joke because what's that? I was in another chat and someone said what was it? I was talking about pizza and there was they were like I was describing one of the gorgonzola pear pizza and they were like that sounds really healthy and I was like there's olive oil in it though, or there's oil in it though, and they're like yeah but it's olive oil so it's healthy. And I'm like, oh, so if I deep fry things in olive oil, it'll be healthy, right? So like my French fries, I would just deep fry it in olive oil. It's healthy fries now. So I'm like half joking when I say that.
Taking a step when there's no step, I hate that. I'm like expecting a step and then like I'd slam my foot into the floor.
Oh my god, I think I did that on my
Deep fried
front.
crab claw. You didn't know the crab claw was like deep in it and you took a bite into the shell.
Shell's
No.
not soft enough.
Deep fried birthday cake Oreos.
Yo, I'd try that.
I'd try it.
Yeah, I think the best kind of oil to deep fry things in, I would say canola oil. I don't know about using like animal fat or something. I've never tried it because I never have enough animal fat to actually deep fry anything in.
I mean, you could melt all that tallow that we have.
Oh yeah, I got some
Wait,
tallow.
what
Wait,
do
no.
we- It's not tallow. Sorry.
Lard. I have
what is-
lard.
Lard.
It's like a big block of lard. I was using it to make pie crust, but I fucked up the pie crust because I never make my own pie crust, so it got fucked up.
That's okay. Next time. We
Next
have
time.
a lot of lard. You
I
can
think
try
next
them.
time I'll just press the fucking pie dough into the pie plate because trying to roll it out after it's been like refrigerated is like hell because it's too crumbly. But I think I'm like the proportions are wrong. That's why.
Yeah, maybe. It's not supposed to be.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be
crumbly.
that crumbly. And then like trying to get it off of the parchment paper and onto the pie plate is like a hassle.
It might just be.
It's
your
a me problem. It's a me problem.
dough.
Skill issue.
Or maybe you can use wax paper next time.
I think it's the same thing. Man, I want a deep fried birthday cake Oreo. Deep fried
We have to
Oreos.
go
What do they?
get some. We need.
Is it covered in like cake
flour.
batter? Is it covered in cake batter?
Oh, wait. That sounds really good.
Yeah, they have like that deep fried ice cream they have at the that one ramen place. It's covered in like cake batter.
Covered in battery.
Battery.
Covered in battery.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't deep fry your batteries. The
That's
Consumer
so.
protection government, whatever the fuck, is gonna come after us. Battery acid.
Delicious.
Made them in college. I'm sure there's a recipe out there somewhere.
Oh man,
Hey,
time
do
to
you
look
think
for a
I'll become
recipe.
Cool like you when I'm your age.
You consider me cool? That is a misunderstanding. He doesn't think he's cool.
Take a compliment for once. No, it's not. You're very mature and pretty cool.
I mean, he's like in his 30s, isn't he? Putting cool or not aside, people mature each day. That's true. There's a difference between who you were yesterday and who you are today and tomorrow. Do not worry. You are maturing and will continue to mature. I hope so.
Lloyd's gonna have a third dad.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I thought of you as an older brother, but talking to you like this, you feel like more of a dad. Oh my god.
Dad, he's got so many dads.
He's
3
got
dads.
Dad energy.
Dad energy. He's got his birth
His
dad.
Who are his 2 dads already?
He has a
his
birth dad,
Yeah.
and then his dwarf dad,
His dwarf dad.
and now Regal.
And yeah, Regal.
Toby out here. Yeah, he'd be quoting
Lloyd's a
Rez
weird
today.
ass family, right?
It's the
Sometimes a family is 3 dads.
it's the
One
this-
of them fucked off when you were 3.
prison. Oh no, yeah, you're right. He's from prison. 2.5 dads. Yeah. Jad, huh?
Yeah, you're refined and dependable.
And settled.
Yeah, that's right. Huh? You seem down.
No, I'm sure you meant it as a compliment. What,
Wait,
like
is that-
he's not single and not looking?
I don't understand.
I think settled means he's no longer looking. He's no longer in the market because he's settled
Really?
down with someone and with kids. I think. I don't know. I don't know anything. Let me just warn you, men start to worry about age at 30 and women at 25. That's a society skill issue thing.
No, I don't really get it, but all right. Sounds like more of like a Japanese thing, but also,
Oh, yeah, true. You at 30, Joshy.
30. What? You at 30, yeah. I mean, you know, at 30, you're like, oh no, I'm 30. And then after that, you're like, okay.
Okay,
whatever.
I'm done. Yeah, stop being a drama queen. We
Or at
got
least
stuff to do.
Yeah, at least for me.
Yeah, when I turned 30, I was like, oh man, I'm 30. And then, you know, a couple years later, I'm like, okay,
I'm not to say
That was dramatic.
Unfortunately,
that was dramatic. yeah, it's gonna be like that.
Soon, Luke.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that. When you turn 30, you're gonna be like, oh my god, like where did the
Yeah.
time go? But
And I
then
hear you get like that at 42.
yeah,
like,
but like, you know,
I think
after
Clowns is like, I'm almost 40. And like, he complains about it all the time.
30s is pretty young. Yeah, I mean, you start to notice like, you know, pains a bit more often, but like, you know, after the initial like shock, you're like, okay, I still got stuff to do and I'm still here. So might as well
The baby.
lose a baby in an affectionate way. Like everyone younger than me is a baby to me, and like I'm like, I got to make sure you grow up and survive to 30.
Talking about types of credit cards and you interjecting with this is the most 30s conversation ever.
Not credit cards. You know, I didn't get my first credit card until until like last year. I've been living off my debit card for like the longest time.
Yeah, I still don't have a credit card.
It's
I
okay.
have credit though, I think.
Okay, they use my credit card.
You went to Japan when you were 30. Yeah, like I feel like I didn't really start actually living my own life until I was 30 because I didn't have my own like income until I was around 30.
Healthcare
don't really
premiums,
get it,
let's
but-
fucking go.
You can't afford healthcare. Ugh, I'm really mad, Rez, that your work, you know, has been able to dodge giving their employees
That
insurance.
fucking
It's
sucks,
like,
man.
Sucks ass. I don't really get it, but all right.
I also only have a credit card for credit score. I put my Final Fantasy 14 sub on it, and then I forget about it.
Small workplace moment. Yeah, and it's like a government kind of. Is it government run or is it like just like a small business? Health stipend. Ugh, 90 extra in your paycheck for health. Yeah, as if health costs only $90.
Oh, I mean, they still
in
take
the United States.
they still take money out of my paycheck for my insurance for work, but at least they provide insurance, you know, instead of me having to shop around. They have their own insurance that they just, you know, give us. Gonna get mad again,
Wait,
yeah.
cooking certain dishes lowers affection.
Huh?
Oh, they're capped at plus or minus 1 per.
I think if you
character per
make
dish.
like their favorite dish, it raises their affinity, and then if you cook their not favorite dish, it lowers it, I think, if I remember
It's-
correctly.
Ingredients, and it's per dish per character.
Colorado's
Only
fucked.
happens like once.
California's
Colorado's fucked, but it's not as bad as other places.
yeah. California is, I mean, the taxes are high as fuck, but I feel like we're going in the right direction in terms of like
Yeah. You know, it's not as good as it could be.
yeah, yeah.
I would rather live here than for now.
For now, yeah.
Than, in some other places.
Anyway. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk.
Just lacking in a good amount of areas. Yeah, I think a lot of like the good places in America are just like that. Like, they're not as bad as it could be, but it could be better. And I just hope that they continue to get better despite, everything.
We're trying.
I think that's all of the regular, that's all of the special things that we can get for now until
I'm
we
gonna
get
go
Friday
fucking
I
stab
mean,
someone. Let me
until-
know if you need help hiding the body.
back.
They'll never find
So
it.
valid. So we got Sylph.
The sun still goes down so fucking early.
I
I'm
know.
gonna turn my light on.
So I'm gonna see if we can move on. Did I fight Ifrit? Or I think I did. Yeah. She just summoned Ifrit in the last fight. So I need to go to Cyback.
Under your heated blanket, shiny hunting. I wish you many shinies.
I hope you find all the shinies.
Is the bridge still
All
up?
the shinies that you're looking for. I think so. Gonna really quick see if we can.
You have a positive
Oh,
note, but
right.
also kind of fucked up too, Rez. Fucked up positive note. I keep you on you, but you need to get up to pee.
No.
The dilemma. The dilemma of the year. Go piss, girl, yeah. You don't want to hold it in.
Let me see if I can have it.
Yeah, let me talk to all the ladies. No more peeing. Colorado is more than 100 miles from any border, so you don't have to deal with the ice. Don't let
I'm wondering
Don't-
if I
don't
need to
let
go
Trump
to the
hear you say
temple
that.
first.
he's gonna hear that and he's gonna be like, he's gonna take that as a fucking challenge.
Oh wait, no, but he's withdrawn. Oh no, that was the National Guard. He hasn't withdrawn ice yet. Okay. Wait, I actually have to go to the temple first.
He had ice in fucking Chicago, didn't he? But like, they're pretty far from the Canadian border.
I don't think they're that far from the Canadian border.
Oh. Are you telling me people like get on ships from Canada and like sail all the way down the Great Lakes to Chicago? If ICE wants to mess around there,
Not in November.
then it's about Canadians, you know? But Chicago actually has like a surprisingly large amount of Mexican immigrants. Because there was a lot of like Mexican food trucks up there when we went last. Which is fine, you know, I was just surprised. I didn't try any of them, so I can't attest to like the taste.
The mountain. Oh wait, this one.
Attacking Colorado by vetoing nonpartisan bill to bring clean drinking water to the southeastern part of Colorado. Yikes. Pumpkin! Did I say hi to you? Happy New Year. I hope you're having a good one.
This isn't. Wait, what is this?
Won't stand for ICE BS. Yeah, Chicago's pretty cool. From what I hear, the news and stuff. I love their transit system. The L, my beloved.
I don't know where the Temple of Darkness is.
We're lost.
Southern mountains along the southern edge of Tokyo's continent. This is the only location that's maybe can't even go up there.
Yeah, any place that has like a Chinatown. Like, where do you think the Chinatown came from?
Right.
Did we go to Little Italy in Chicago? Not that there is really a Little Italy in Chicago, because like I feel like there's a lot of like Italian places basically everywhere.
I don't remember if I saw one.
Obviously a pure
Every
white
place
American
should have
invention. Every place should have a Chinatown. I agree. We went to Chinatown almost like every fucking day in Chicago because there was this one bakery that had like the best steam buns that were just filled with like custard or some shit. And then we, just before we left, we bought a box of them and shoved them into our suitcases so we could bring them home.
Yeah.
Oh,
The beef buns.
the beef
Or pork
buns. Do you
buns.
remember what they're called?
I think what is
Here's
it?
my advert.
We mentioned it before.
Another advertisement. Chicago, Chinatown.
We mentioned it before
Yeah.
earlier this year, but I don't remember. It started with a Q, I think.
Am I reading Colette or are you reading Colette?
Oh, I can do it.
Oh.
Wow, it's pitch black.
Do the next one. It seems that the power of the summoned spirit of darkness has a strong effect on this area.
Man, it's so dark. Whoa.
Wow. Didn't even fucking catch him.
I don't think you can see.
Oh, my precious foot.
Wow, what an asshole. Rubzolo's footprint. Do you want to keep voicing Rain?
Oh,
or
I
you
am
can-
Rain, huh? I can't remember if I was Rain or not. We can't proceed like this.
Let's try the Elemental Research Laboratory. They've supposedly done research here before, so they should know a way to light this darkness.
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Sorry, I'm looking for Chinatown. Come on, everyone. Let's go back outside.
Okay.
My foot! Lloyd, get up!
He's waiting for the rest of him to catch up.
Oops, it's so dark I slipped and my mouth landed on your He
Oh,
still has
no.
his shoes on.
I mean, you know, that doesn't deter anyone, I think.
Man, I thought it was gonna say I slipped and my mouth landed on your mouth. Oops.
Oops.
But no, there's a foot there, which is fine. Feet are fine.
Okay, I have to see if the lab is open before we talk to all the ladies.
Chinatown Square. This is
What
the one
now?
with the gazebo.
I thought today was Friday.
I
thought
know,
we were
me
going to
too.
Boss's house. Okay, we have to go in through the secret passage. Wait. I had to go to Mel Tokyo.
Oh,
This isn't Mel Tokyo. And when is this place gonna open the lab so I can talk to all the ladies? Foot and mouth disease.
oh.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be your own foot in your own mouth. You putting somebody else's foot in your mouth is like secondhand embarrassment.
Okay, hold on. Where's the train station? Oh, Lloyd.
Go to the elemental research facility.
Lloyd, you mustn't forget that we're wanted as criminals. Don't approach areas that are under heavy guard. Do you understand?
I did that already. I know.
I know.
You going to a Pokemon card show this Saturday?
Yo.
What do they show at Pokemon card shows? You want a Quaxley? Is it like you buy collectible cards? Wow!
Huh?
Kratos!
Oh god.
The guy didn't say I was gonna run into Kratos here.
How come he's not wearing his super cool outfit?
Yeah, bro. Maybe it's in the wash. You'll find a Quaxley.
Huh? I've heard that sacred wood only grows in the area near Ozette. Is that correct? Sacred what now?
Boy. Wrong Kratos.
Boy!
Yes.
Just ignored Lloyd. Then, does that mean that sacred wood no longer exists?
The wood I cut is stored in the church.
Time to steal from the church. So that really is all. Oh, that really is all that is left. Seems I have no choice. Wait, but if you're Crucius, then, you know, just walk into the church and be like, I demand wood.
The demand wood.
Sacred wood, you've heard of it too?
Thank you. Wait. Why is Crucius worried about sacred wood?
That's not
I don't
Crucius.
think it's Crucius. I think it's just Kratos.
Yeah. Because it is
Oh, I thought he
necessary.
left.
Oh, no, he's still there. Because it is necessary. What other reason could there be? Bro,
Necessary for what?
I asked. I do not feel the need to tell you that now.
Rude.
Well, here's the library.
Are you still looking for it?
Oh, by the way, Lloyd, the summon spirit pacts you are currently forming. You must stop.
Do you think we'll stop because you said so?
Yeah. It is dangerous to engage in activities in which you cannot predict the outcome. It may result in something that you cannot undo.
But if there's no other way to save both worlds, then we have to do it.
Be patient, Lloyd. Huh? Patient?
What does that mean?
What does that
Kratos is a
mean?
prude? You can't say Kratos is a prude. He has a...
Here's a...
Never,
What's that?
never mind.
No, he has a titty window.
Oh, he has a titty window.
He's got cold shoulders and a titty window. What do you mean he's a prude?
Wait, you're right. You're right. What kind of self-respecting man wears a tank top? Sheena and everyone.
We have a bit of a favor to ask you all. If it's all right, you see Shadow's dungeon. Dungeon?
Ah, I see. In that case, the blue candle should be of use to you. Blue candle?
It's a holy candlestick that negates the power of darkness. You have that here?
A holy candlestick?
Holy?
Yes, relying on ancient documents, we succeeded in creating it here in our lab. Then, could we borrow one?
Can we borrow it?
Of course. We'd be...
Oh, hey, it's these guys' fault that Kate was arrested. We can't help them. What do you mean she was arrested?
But they're Sheena's friends. Kate? What about Kate? Oh, Kate is going to be executed for harboring criminals and helping them escape.
Ah, yikes.
Because of us. Damn it.
Lloyd, please, let's save Kate.
Lloyd, I want to save her as well. Yeah, but how?
How about participating in the matches being held at the Coliseum? Let's go, Coliseum!
What? I don't want to fight in the Coliseum.
Is this still...
the best she is.
I love Persea.
Do you want to be zealous? Should I be zealous?
Oh, the Coliseum? What for?
For Sephiroth?
Right? It was originally constructed to watch fights between prisoners and wild beasts. You would know. There is a passage inside the prison which allows prisoners to be taken into the Coliseum. Oh, that's right. You were in there before. Wow! Then, let's hurry up and rescue her.
Okay, gotcha. Everyone, let's hurry to the arena.
Let's fucking go.
Let me save.
Is this it? The Chu Kwan Bakery?
I think so, yeah, that one.
Chu Kwan Bakery. Hold on, surely you have a website.
Is it just gonna be Lloyd who fights, or is it gonna be Party?
Time to find out. Here's my ad for the day.
Why am I
Whoa,
lagging?
whoa.
GameCube is lagging. GameCube is lagging.
If you're ever in Chicago,
Yeah,
Chinatown, take the red line straight into Chinatown. I think it's the red line.
Yeah, there's a stop labeled Chinatown. I think that's a recent stop too.
Yeah, they recently just added a stop right in the middle of Chinatown, which is great.
I love you, bakery. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, is that what that means? Who's going to enter? Oh no, we're gonna choose one.
Well,
Good luck.
sorry, it has to be Lloyd. Oh, but you're the wanted. Don't worry about little details like that.
The registration fee is 5,000 gald, correct? Wow.
It's expensive.
It was 50 bucks.
Correct, but you're the wanted.
And also, here's a small token of our appreciation.
Who?
10,000 gald. Take it. Wow, we just gave her $100. All branded and
The
shit.
bakery's all brand. Yeah.
It's very good. It is a very good bakery.
Ah.
Use the change how you like. Now then, shall we get going?
So this is how money is used.
Persea. No, it's not. Not really. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Uh,
What's the aversion with just calling it gold in these kinds of games? They always have to mess with the word somehow. It's fantasy. Fantasy money. Barbecue pork melon pan bun save you. What's the one that we got? We always just got like the pork buns.
yeah. What goes through the prisoners' minds when they pass through that door? Seems this tournament has met the designated number of participants. If there weren't enough people, then prisoners would come in through that door that connects to the jail. This passage is off limits, or do you want to be thrown into the prison?
Yes.
I guess I'll just go.
Fantasy bucks, yeah.
Yeah, it has to be, like, branded, I guess. Because for all of the Tales games, it's Gald.
It's gald, yeah.
Man, there's a lot of them.
Just like
And there's a lot of them.
just like how in Kingdom Hearts it's money with
Money with a U. Based off Germanic fantasy and gold money is called Geld in German. That's an interesting take. I lack the cultural knowledge to make that kind of connection, which is interesting. Geld is just gold in German. They gotta sound fancy. Yeah, I don't know why they chose Gald.
breaded gel.
Because then that would mean someone on
I think that was a bug.
Oh, breaded gel?
It said breaded gel, and I was like,
no.
what? I think it was.
Japanese devs like to mess with other languages. Yeah, that implies that one of the devs who decided what the money would be called knew like German, which is also an interesting theory. Rez
You're back, but you
lost the cat. No.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, let us in. You're just by yourself though. Spoopy. It just opens. Here to bust you out. Why are you here?
It's our fault you got arrested, so we've come to save you.
Thank you, but it's alright. Winnie.
It's not alright. If something's up, we can talk about it after we get out of here.
But you think the Pope is gonna let his daughter die? Yeah, he would.
Did we talk about that already?
I'm assuming he's her daughter. I don't know. I don't remember anything about this game. Alright. She defends the Pope. Yeah, she defends the Pope like
would
it's
absolutely want his illegitimate half-elf child to die
Yeah.
if she was his illegitimate half-elf
Yeah, I'm just
child.
waiting for the game to confirm or deny whether she's actually his child.
Now that we've rescued her, what is she going to do? Do you have any family?
No. My mother passed away. My father is... No.
No, what do you mean?
I have a favor to ask you. Please, take me to Ozette.
Yeah, it's kind of in ashes.
Yeah.
Ozette? It's in ruins now. Are you sure?
Yes, please. That's where I was born. Whoa.
Moo?
Why?
Alright. Oh, quick,
Oh, it warped
quick
us
try.
there. She is the Pope. Thank you for saving me, even though I was the one that experimented on Persea.
We're here because you helped us escape, and you were about to be executed because of that. So we had to save you.
Even if you know who I really am? Girl, we have friends that are half-elves. Gonna call it for tonight. Alright, have a good one. Thank you for dropping in. Have a
Good
lovely
night.
rest of your New Year's Day.
Or New Year's Part 2? Who you really are?
Sorry, food in my mouth. My mother was an elf. My father's human and is currently the Pope of the Church of Martel. Fucking called it.
Your father's the Pope?
You're lucky you took after your mother. Someone's just called the Pope ugly.
Yeah, but listen, he's seen the Pope. Have you seen the Pope?
Oh! Thank you, Slowbutt.
It's just now the happy 2nd of January.
Happy New Year 2.0. Happy New Year. Good night. Have a good one. Thank you for dropping in.
Is that all you can say?
I mean, what else is he supposed to say, Gina?
He tried to have his own daughter executed. That's awful.
But it was the Pope who ruled that all half-elves who commit crimes are to be punished by death.
Yeah, he obviously doesn't care.
I give Zelos this weird, like, whimsy-ish voice. His actual voice doesn't sound like that.
Good. I wonder if in the remaster his voice sounds a little better, but I highly doubt it.
Popes are generally ugly. Have you seen our current Pope?
I mean, obviously he couldn't keep it in his pants. Like, fucking,
Obviously.
he had to fucking
He had to
elf.
fucking elf. Like, what the hell? What kind of elf just did she agree or was it forced? Because then
Right? That's what I was wondering. Like, if
that's really bad.
half-elves... So, like, if half-elves are so discriminated against, like, who would willingly have a half-elf child unless they really, really wanted to have a child with an elf? Like,
I mean, did they like love each other? Did they really love each other? Or what's the backstory here? We're not gonna find any answers.
elf fuckers, yeah. I mean,
Elf
obviously.
fuckers.
Political child, but he didn't even take care of her.
Right? He stuck her in the science lab and then forgot about her.
And, like, we'll find out later, but the elves don't want anything to do with the Church of Martel. Elf freaks.
Oh man, in the elven village, they'd be human fuckers.
Right. What? Why did he do something like that when his own daughter is a half-elf?
Taboo is a thing, yeah. Hey, don't get angry with me.
I swear he'll pay for this.
I'm gonna punch him. Wait, don't do anything bad to my father. Wait,
Girl, he tried
girl,
to
don't
kill
defend
you.
him. Like, yeah,
Why? He's done bad things to you.
right? But he's still my father. That doesn't
Oh my god.
that doesn't matter.
This is also kind of like a recurring Tales thing where they're like blood is thicker than water type thing. And it's kind of like, no, I don't agree with that.
Yeah. Yeah, my thing is like,
Fucking
yeah, absolutely just cut ties with toxic people, like for reals. Especially if they're family.
To remind you of Garnet. When my father... Oh, sorry, that was you.
Oh. When my father ordered me to perform experiments to turn X-spheres into Crucius crystals, I was very happy. My father finally needed me. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
They all
don't
need
have-
therapy.
You don't have children just to need them. Shitty fathers is a trope of RPGs for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't understand. I can't understand that.
Genus, calm down.
Yeah, I'm like Genus.
Have we talked about half-elves and angels yet?
What do you mean? That
Like-
Crucius is made out of half-elves?
Yeah, exclusively
I think we
half-elves.
did.
So,
I think we did, yeah. Altessa told us about it.
oh, okay. Oh, I'm in ads.
Well,
Anyway.
you want to chill out? If y'all come on over to my stream.
I'm in ads. I'm in ads.
They can't hear me.
No, I mean 40 seconds. I've got 40 seconds until I'm in ads.
Okay.
But
I mean, I have pre-roll ads on, so you still have to watch ads.
so what's it? About the half elves becoming more powerful, the more powerful race in this world. That's what Crucius is trying to do. So Crucius, you know, they basically created like the Crucius crystals, and all the half elves that have these Crucius crystals are angels that live on Darius Karlon, and they're subjecting, you know, the people of Tetheala and Silverat to this shit.
Yeah,
As
that's
like
why
a-
when we fight the Designs or anybody who's like Crucius, they call us inferior beings.
Yeah, inferior beings.
Because we're not half elves. But
Born for scientific purposes. I think I understand a little. Oh, Colette, yeah.
Colette,
When I thought that Remiel might be my father, I was happy that my father had finally come to see me. Girl, your father is your real father, not Remiel. Even though I knew that the journey would end in my death. I'm going to think by myself for a while about my father and half-elves. Thank you so much for saving me, and Persea,
yes,
I'm sorry.
be your own girl, Kate. Exactly.
Right. This is sad. Why do things wind up like this?
Two forces will always oppose each other. Silverant and Tetheala, elves and humans, heaven and earth.
And those in the middle are sacrificed. Half-elves, the Great Seed, and the Chosen as well.
It's wrong to say that someone can be sacrificed.
But any time there are two people, one will be sacrificed by the establishment of superiority. It's the same way with countries and worlds. Equality is an illusion.
Birth, status, appearance, race, you're engulfed by these things. But everyone has the same heart. Everyone hurts when they're rejected. But people forget that.
The same. Oh, am I Genus or you Genus? You're Genus.
I'm Genus,
My
I
bad.
think. The same heart.
Yes, if only everyone could live thinking about each other like that.
Little by little, people can change. The only thing we can do is to believe that and start doing what we can.
Yes, what we can do right now is to release the Summon Spirit's monolinks.
Yeah, let's get the blue candle from the Elemental Research Laboratory. So we can form a pact with Shadow.
Let's go!
The establishment of superiority. Yeah, obviously,
Yeah.
we need to get rid of the establishment.
Lloyd and Co. growing up very quickly as it happens in JRPGs, yeah.
Yeah. Welcome back, everyone.
We escorted Kate to Ozette at her request.
I see. There's been a terrible commotion here as well.
Uh-oh.
Because of Kate's escape, the Pope suffered a great loss of face.
Huh?
We've all been incredibly worried about being arrested.
What do you mean loss of face?
See. We were already gone from here when that was going on.
Here's the blue candle. Thank you.
Thanks. No, thank you.
Now we can go to Shadow. The Hedgehog?
Oh no!
Shadow?
Yeah.
Where's the mod that replaces Shadow with Shadow the Hedgehog? I'm Toby.
We'll make good use of it. Good luck, Sheena.
Hope losing his cred, let's go.
Yeah, I want him to lose everything, except for Kate.
Time to start excommunicating people.
Anyway. Okay. Where are we going now?
Hello, Lug. We are out of ads. Let's go. I'm all of me. You know, I kind of hate that they chose that as Shadow's main theme. Anyone want rice? I want rice.
I'll eat your rice.
I do.
All right. To the next temple.
All Hail Shadow is becoming more of his theme of recent. I like, what was the other one that I liked? We can't go through the front!
No.
We can't go through the front gates!
Yeah. We're still wanted.
And yet
have to
we're
go through
walking
this
around the town.
Well, everyone's protecting Zelos.
Good. Just run past!
Yeah, no, they know. Here we go, Skit. Will she really be alright, left alone in that village?
I'm sure she wants to be alone. She has much to think about.
She too is suffering because she's a half-elf.
Yes, but she didn't choose the way she lived because she was a half-elf.
Really?
Yes. She participated in the experiment on Persea because she wanted to earn the love of her father, the Pope. It's not fair to place the blame for that on her blood.
I guess that's true, but I still feel sorry for her.
You're too soft-hearted. No, perhaps that soft heart is part of what makes you you. Excellent.
Hey.
I'm trying to remember all of the other Shadow songs.
Oh, sorry, I'm moving my microphone again. Cross the bridge.
Pumpkin Hill. Fighting freak Knuckles at Pumpkin Hill, yeah. I love Pumpkin Hill.
Is that Shrek?
Oh.
I was like, who's that? Who's making out with Shadow?
That's amazing. Oh my god. It's Shrek kissing Shadow. Oh my god. That's hilarious.
So funny.
That's some really great pixel art. Best romance of our time, I agree. Temple of Darkness, let's go.
All right, let's use that blue candle.
Don't fall on my foot again. He's not even in this
there.
cutscene.
This should do. Now we can explore this place.
But it's kind of...
Yeah, the feeling of mana here. The power feels unstable compared to the previous seals. We'll find out what's going on once we get further inside. Why
Show
did
them
Rain just
shadow sucking
stand
emote. What? Excuse me?
No. Oh my god.
Bunny was sniffing your mouth. Excellent. Self-suck. I think you'd have to be really flexible to be able to do that. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, no, I'm like, where did these go?
Oh. Yeah, why can I go here? It was like, go across the bridge and go right. And there's nothing here. Maybe I need to go through the door.
Shadow puking emote, but it looks like he's sucking Shrek's dong. Oh no! That's fucking wild.
Oh my god. What the?
What is that?
Oh,
It's kind of
wait.
cute.
Why does it look like a dick?
Yeah, it kind of does. It looks like a dick,
Is
but it
this-
looks kind of cute.
A monster? The shadow dick. It shadows hedgehog dick.
No! Why would you say that?
What?
We're collecting Shadow's dicks. Oh, no, this is a summon spirit. Huh?
This is the summon spirit of darkness, Shadow? Oh
The
no,
hedgehog?
they destroyed him. Only his dick is
Only
left.
his dick is left. Oh no.
Why would I utter the forbidden words? Shadow Shrek would make a good couple though. Yeah.
Think about it. Listen, I don't judge. Ship who you ship. It feels weaker than all the previous summon spirits. About 1/5 the power. So we need... He's got 5 dicks. And the mana feels even more unstable than it did outside.
Such a generic ghost.
Rain's gonna touch it. She just picked it up. Oh, never mind.
Hand goes right through it. Could it be that the power of the summon spirit has leaked out from the seal and taken on this physical form?
Oh!
Does this mean that if we don't bring this fragment of Shadow to the seal, we won't be able to form a pact with Shadow?
It's stuck to her.
Look at this wondrous crystal. How does it function? Is it Magi technology? Is it the summon spirit's power?
Sis!
Lloyd, look. It looks like this little fellow can't go into the light. Aha. It's the summon spirit of darkness, so it doesn't like light.
Then we have to search for a way to put out the light. And lead the summon spirit into the core. Would you just punch it?
Maybe if we corral all 5 of them into that wide open area below the floor, we can take them from there down to the seal without them getting separated. Okay then, let's get started and see what we can do. Professor, we're going now. But I'm not done studying it. Brain is fried, you know, it's New Year's Day.
New Year's. Oh, I think we have to turn the light off first. Wow, just punch it.
Touch the fragment to make it. Come follow me.
Uh-oh. Should we leave and then come back?
Why isn't it following me?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
There.
okay. Yeah, I guess it just kind of got stuck, over there.
Don't worry, leave it to me.
Did you remove that one? The prego punching?
Angel feathers.
Oh, Colette's in here.
Maybe. Yeah, I put Colette in there.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah, I
you're
wouldn't be
dying.
surprised if somebody like reported it.
Feel thy pull. Angel feathers.
Ready for this?
Do not think.
Stone blast.
Her giant power hammer.
Yeah. Cooking. I didn't grab more ingredients. Quiche.
Look at it just... Oh.
Wait.
Oh!
Okay.
Stalking me or something?
Oh, you're dying.
Ready for this?
Ow, ow.
Why are you dying? Why is this thing eating my face?
I
because I need to open that somehow.
Yeah, that's not gonna close.
Okay, let's just go through here really quick.
Huh?
It looks like I can go in through there. I'll go take a look.
You're going by yourself? Are you going to be okay?
Don't worry, I'll be right back. Wait here.
Huh?
Ooh. Ooh.
Yay?
Yay. I wonder what it does. I'll try it first. Lloyd's gonna get smashed.
Smashed?
Ha! Oh, I thought it was going to... Did it change?
Well, you can grab it now.
Grab it.
Oh, dang. So
I
then,
wish he was in Smash.
yeah,
So
you're
I
gonna
thought
have
this
to.
thing was just gonna shoot out.
Yeah.
And I have to go up and push
Push it, yeah.
over there.
A Celeste cube that goes rawr. Oh, oh.
Here comes more of them.
Not me pushing the wrong button to cast spells.
I can't concentrate.
Colette, you missed.
Was she trying to steal?
Yeah. She just keeps chirping. Are we
She's trying.
We're out of quiche ingredients also.
Fruit. We have so many. We have so many fruits.
Why does it
Oh.
move so slowly? Oh my god.
Yay!
Please, come here.
Can you push it? There we go.
Is this something I need to...
Oh,
Looks like
Oh.
it's just for... I can't
Hey.
believe they did that.
oh no!
Oh, wait.
Whoop! Oh no! Dang. Okay.
Whoa. The one we pushed before is back. Hang on.
Oh. Now we have to go down. Look at them dancing around. This thing's trying to get us.
I know. Come here, little ones. Oh my god. Ah, fuck.
Is it possible for us to like lose them?
I'm not sure. But every time we get into a battle, they're going to stop following us.
Wow, I missed.
It's kind of cute, yeah.
It looks like it is over.
Oh. Fruit cocked head. Maybe you have to be in front of it? Oh, never mind. The pathfinding for these is kind of...
Yeah. Wait, what do we do?
Can you pull it across this? Oh, maybe not.
Maybe I can. Damn it, no. Oh, wait.
Hunting beast, yeah. Ah.
Come, little shadow dicks, let's go. This one turned back on again. Come on.
Can we like drop them all off somewhere or?
We're supposed to.
I mean, like, so that if we go into a different area, it doesn't like... Yeah, no, the the thing got pushed back. Whoa! This is where we picked up that other guy.
Where did... Oh no. Wait, where's the third one?
There, it's stuck. Why did it turn on again?
Okay. I guess they turn on after I turn on another one. Happy Meek won a horse race today. Heck yeah.
Yay! Happy year of the horse.
Oh man.
Yeah, you pushed that in. There's a fragment over there. Oh no, that's you.
Oh, sorry. There's no way to bring it down to the bottom level like this. If we could only move that one with the red eyes to the front. Okay, so I actually might have to go all the way back.
Yeah, but can we like drop these guys off and then go get it, or?
Maybe. Hold on. Let me see. Have to go all the way down. Come on. Let's go.
Was it this annoying?
Ah, damn it.
They're all stuck. Was it this annoying, like, originally?
This is the original GameCube version.
How come I don't remember this being so annoying?
The guide also says that the pathfinding for these things is really dumb. Come on, guys. Come on, little buddies. Let's go.
Puzzle dungeons are so fucking annoying.
You can do it. Ooh. Okay.
Oh, yay, okay.
Wait, why are they still all following?
Yeah, what's going on? Can we just like put them there or what? I guess not. Maybe it's just a checkpoint?
Maybe?
This is gonna be cake. Okay.
Why is there a dude here that's chanting?
I don't know. I didn't check the name of that monster.
Just as I expected.
Cook magic bottle.
Yeah. Okay, I'm kind of gonna be mad if they all disappear.
Right? Well, this is that one area again.
Yeah. Let me just go up here.
Oh,
This is gonna be cake.
No, none of these are the casters.
look at how he fucking casts magic. What is he doing with his hand?
Just as I expected.
Oh,
Fruit cocktail.
how can you fail at making
well,
a...
it didn't come back. So.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
Yeah, you have to... You have to go and crawl into the crawl space again. Okay, but how do we get that one?
Stalking me or something?
You guys stalking me or something?
I'll figure it out.
So I just gotta keep using Stone Blast, right?
Why are we using Stone Blast?
To get Grave? Did I learn that yet?
Ready for this?
Uh,
It looks like it is over.
Level up, let's go!
yeah.
Scone Blast.
Stone
Man, I
Blast.
want scones. Hey, don't we have, do we have those
No.
scone things left? No?
No,
No?
we don't have any more left, I think.
Should we go get some?
We should. We should just get them from like Vaughn's or something though.
Oh! Do they have them at Vaughn's?
20 more. Not
20?
those specific ones.
Oh, okay,
but
okay.
It's just, I don't really... Because like going to World Market is like... It's so bougie. You know?
Yeah.
Or we could just make them from scratch. It's not that hard.
Wait.
I guess I just gotta go through here.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like... How are we supposed to get there when... I think you got that. There was a headband.
Okay.
Old Market is expensive, right?
Yeah.
The hard part is cutting the butter so it makes crumbles. Yeah.
Yeah. Could we
But
have
we
one of
have a-
those pastry cutters?
Yeah, we have a pastry cutter so it makes it infinitely easier. Yeah, I should just make them from scratch.
But I really like to just use my hands until it's all nice and crumbly.
Oh, Holy One,
It's like playing with Play-Doh.
You need that now. It's so fun. Oh, what am I doing?
Stone
You guys
blast.
got this. You guys got this.
I need...
This is gonna be cake.
Let me just spam stone. I'm gonna throw rocks. A druid?
Just a druid. These people live in this
it looks like it is over.
dark dungeon.
These people live here. You live like this?
I'm supposed to find a memory
50%
Gem.
output should be sufficient.
Yeah, well, stop standing in the middle of that. That's so crazy that Colette's just using the sign of the cross.
Yeah.
I was just warming up.
Like, they really couldn't come up with their own, like, weird thing. It had to be some weird Christian shit.
Ooh.
Ooh.
We've been in the darkness so long, my eyes are feeling weird.
I hope we get to see the sun again soon.
Why are the seals on Tatheala's side so much harder to release?
Lloyd!
Whoa, Professor, are you in ruin mode again?
Lloyd, you don't take your lessons seriously, but your powers of observation are always astute. You have what it takes to be an archaeologist. What's with that look? Archaeology is great. Lloyd, of all the temples in Tetheala, this Temple of Darkness is a rare example of one that largely retains its original form. It's the perfect chance to investigate whether the seals on Tetheala's side are more difficult to release. Colette, run!
Stop.
It's so
Become an
fast!
archaeologist.
Right?
No, yeah, I noticed too that Lloyd is very observant.
Yeah. But I think,
Well, let's go. Let's go.
like, Silverant seals, I think they're a little bit more run down because of, like, the lack of mana, I suppose.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. They did say it was like at its
At its what?
like 1/5 of its like full form, so maybe it's at like 1/5 of its fucking intelligence. Okay, so how do I get that last one?
Wait, you gotta bring it here. I think we gotta
Oh, I
get the
think it'll be
cutscene.
fine.
Are you sure?
Oh, okay. Fine.
We gotta have it touch the thing. There. Yay.
Yay, please stop following me.
No, it'll be fine. Maybe try pushing one of the things up at the top there. You know the one that you pushed and it looked like nothing happened? Not that one. I wonder if that one worked? Can you see it from down here? Oh, there we go.
Oh. Shadow Dancer.
Wait, can you equip me with the baseball bat?
It does do more damage. You won't get your shield though.
That's
Actually, yeah, you will.
fine.
Just kidding. I bought one for Kratos too.
A baseball
In
bat?
case he comes back.
In case. Oh, thank God.
Yay! Come on, come on.
It's still blocking.
Aw, dang it. Okay.
I'm glad they did that.
Come on, grab the thing.
Because that would have been really tough to try to figure out. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on, little buddy.
You need to do the green one again.
Oh, the eyes match.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Uh.
I'm smart. Oh!
Damn it.
It's fine. It's fine.
This is gonna be a piece of cake.
Angel feathers!
Lloyd doesn't need wings. He just fucking jumps into the air.
He's got his fans.
Oh, that's right. Come on. This is
Let's
the
go.
last piece. I swear this is the last piece.
Let's go.
Okay, now that we're all here,
Now what?
where do I bring them all? Whew, we finally got them all here. Now all we have to do is to lead these guys down to the seal in the bottom level. Okay, come on, guys.
You should save it.
Oh, I should.
Just in case. What if I made some tea?
Hmm.
And pee. I need to pee. I'll be back.
Don't worry. Leave it to me.
I didn't need the guide for this.
We won.
Do the old tea and pee, yeah. The caffeine makes you pee. You can have some tea. We only have black tea. The English tea #1.
50% output should be sufficient.
I think R got a lot of like weird flavored herbal teas. Not weird, but like, you know, different flavored herbal teas from one of their coworkers. Could try those.
I hope you learned your lesson.
Are they gonna follow me in here? Okay. How do I bring them down? Oh my god. Oh no, there's a ramp back there.
Should be sufficient.
What? Oops.
Victory lights! Unchained beast!
Just canceled Colette's spell.
Angel feathers.
I was just warming up.
Okay, I didn't see the ramp over there. Come on, guys. Come on. There they go. Goodbye. Oh. Oh, this is where the memory gem
This is
is.
gonna be cake.
Angel feathers. Something's coming.
Unchained beast!
Great thrust. Devastation cast by creation.
Do not bother us.
Have I picked up any other herbs? Cook in. Uh-oh. We're bugging again. I'm scared. I got distracted. Say.
I'm back.
The G bit point is missing.
Oh no.
Mayic bottle.
Oh, it's fine on
The
my
small
screen.
D.
It's
Big
fine on
D
my
is
screen, but you know, it's only a
lens.
matter of time. Do you want to restart or?
Medical cloth. I don't think it's gonna fix it. Really. I'm sure it'll be fine.
The G's are gone.
The G's are gone. Eat all these herbs. What does this do?
The old T and P. Oh man, these are so cute. And
Yeah,
you
look at
draw
them.
Lloyd with them all over him.
With the little shadow day.
The little shadow dicks on like his shoulders and his arms and shit.
Okay.
Welcome back, thanks, Luke. Look at them go. They're so cute.
What was the point of that?
I don't know. What would you do if, you know, if someone looked at your dick and was like, "Oh, that's so cute." Like,
What do you
I
mean?
guess
Is that not something people like to do?
dude,
That sounds like something I would say.
that sounds like something you would say.
Do you do
I
that?
mean,
Good. I think
good, excellent, excellent.
we should compliment each other's dicks.
We should compliment each other's dicks.
Ooh,
Oh no, we're gonna lose them.
it's fine. I'll grab them. I'll grab them. Wow, there's two of them. Thanks.
People get mad at you about it. You can't say that. Well, that means you need to say it more than, ow, I'm getting...
Why not? Let people compliment your dick.
Let people compliment your dick. I don't know. I guess they just feel weird being like, you know, having their dick called cute.
Ugh, fuck.
50% output should be set. Danger.
I mean, I wouldn't mind. This guy's still chanting. Oh, he died.
Emasculating you? What?
Good job, everyone.
You're emasculate? Well, guys can be cute. Like, you don't want to be cute?
Toxic masculinity.
Forgot to set a timer for my tea. We're oversteeping it.
Guy combo.
Guy?
Guy.
Guy combo? A lot of gym bros who take cute as an insult or people who want to be masculine.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if there was a cute person kissing my dick and calling it cute. Like, is that too much information? I'm sorry.
This is
I wouldn't mind that.
Mature stream. I don't know. You know, there's nothing wrong with it, I think. Luke.
Thinking thoughts. We're thinking thoughts here.
We're thinking thoughts today. Follow a special attack with a second special attack? Mid-air basic combo.
What would Luke do with two guys?
What? Well, obviously he'd be in the middle. What?
Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. Gonna go back to coding already. Have fun coding. You're doing your website, right? Good luck. Good luck. I need to fix my website. It's got like old art on it.
Flash? Can we teach
Flash?
legal Flash?
What kind of flash? Is it like, is he gonna take his clothes off?
Happiness? What does happiness do?
I don't know, put it on.
Spell charge.
Call Dick's cute, thanks. Yeah, right? Right? Calling the guy cute would be fine. Very specifically, like, you can't call my dick cute. Like, specifically. Listen, if you're cute, that should, expand. That should expand to your dick, too. Like, I don't know.
Occasionally revive automatically. Can you imagine?
You know, Colette would. she'd trip and fall on her way to the underworld, and it would somehow revive her. Expand your dick. Do not. Those dick expanders are lying to you. They don't work.
Beatcast. Wait for Sheena.
You guess if you ever date, it'll be a person who lets you call their dick cute. I hope you find someone who lets you call their dick cute. The stream is sponsored by anti dick expanding.
Increases stats when Persea is on the battlefield.
Yo,
Impervious to stagger when hit between combo attacks. Actually, let's put that there.
okay, but so now if Persea is in the party, Regal has to be in the party.
Well, he doesn't have to be. It's just if I put Regal in the party, I should probably put Persea.
Anti-ads would be goofy. I think there used to be a law against that for advertising, where you're not allowed to actively attack specific other brands, which is why old commercials tended to have like this is 10% more efficient than competing leading brands, and they have like a generic like white box that says competing brand on it, like literally. And nowadays they're like, oh, Tide is 50% better than what is another detergent, than Woolite or whatever, you know?
The rave.
Oh, did I learn it?
Now you can learn Healing Stream. How you just heal or something, maybe.
No, I need to. Ow, ow, ow!
Was it libel laws? I don't remember what it no, it was specifically like a broadcasting related law.
Yeah, I don't remember the vocab specifically for it,
I
yeah.
remember like the day the law became like
Loosened.
expired. The day the law
expired.
expired, and then like suddenly advertisers were attacking each other, and I was like, I have never seen so many advertisements. Like,
Wait, can I change my
your tech?
yeah. Elpire? Lightning Blade? Okay, I want to switch Lightning
Oh, we were trying
and
to get you to learn more
Thunderblade.
Demon Fang.
Oh, Healing Stream? Healing Stream is wind, right?
How much have you used Light Spear?
Light Spear? 95? Like just regular Light Spear?
Yeah.
I can switch it.
No, it's okay. How many times have you used your other Victory Light Spear?
67.
Okay, so we're trying to get you to learn Light Spear Cannon so you can use that 50 times.
I don't have Light Spear. Oh, yeah, that's right, huh? I just need to use Victory Light Spear, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm done with Stone Blast, right?
You're tired all of a sudden, yeah. I think after we break this seal, might call it.
Yeah. I might be back at 6
Oh, that's right, you're streaming.
for Final Fantasy 9. I still want to do Lightning, but I think I'm gonna replace Stone Blast with Lightning. What is...
Nine hype, yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm still trying to learn Eruption. But what do I need for Healing Stream?
It just says learn,
Learn one of the Light
learn
Spear stuff?
Grave. It just
Learn?
says learn Grave, so
Oh.
maybe just heal until you learn it.
Okay, I mean, we have Grave. I need...
Maybe use
I did-
Grave once and then heal.
Oh. Okay. Grave. Okay. It's the staying up late.
Don't worry. Leave it to me.
Danger.
Let's...
Healing stream.
Hell yeah, let's go! Was that better than healing wind or what?
I don't know.
Okay, let me into my stuff again. I feel like we did this a lot too. The lightning, and I still need fireball.
Try
Lightning
using
blade.
regular light spear. Maybe that'll activate your the light spear cannon.
Okay. I got my double demon fang. Wait, is it skills? No, that's not it. Oh,
Oh wait, you know Victory Light Spear already?
yeah.
Oh no.
What?
Need to.
Did I fuck up?
No, I fucked up. I have to. You're like technical, so we have to. We have to switch you over to the other side.
Oh. Okay.
Technical. Oh, that's weird. I'm not really sure how to.
How to switch me over?
Maybe. Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well.
It'll happen eventually, maybe.
Wait, can I change then?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Victory light spear. My lightning and fireball. Does it say if stream is better than wind or?
It. You do learn healing stream at a higher level than healing wind, if that means anything.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
What the fuck? Grabbed her out of the air.
Get in the coffin.
What the fuck? Fucking wild. Oh, it's broken. Do we have a thing? Oh, we do.
Yeah, I got it.
Out of what should be.
Oh no, there's two of them. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Fireball.
I was just warming up.
Found more suck.
Chaotic or combat seems so chaotic in these types of games. Usually,
You're only controlling one person.
yeah.
I think the most chaotic a fight has ever been for me was when I had to fight. What's her name in Tales of the Abyss? Because I had to switch between characters depending on who she was attacking. What is it? Nebulum?
Oh,
Yeah, I had to switch characters if she was attacking a character that I wasn't controlling so that they wouldn't fucking die. Turn-based combat. It's
oh
not
yeah,
that
this is more.
difficult.
Yeah, I mean you get used to it,
All
but
I do is push A. Every now and then I push
yeah,
the B
yeah.
button to activate a skill.
but yeah, I can see how
All the
turn-based is.
other- Yeah. They both have their advantages and disadvantages. I don't have to really worry about the other characters because they just kind of do their own thing.
50% output should be set.
So I
Oh,
feel like
whoa.
this,
Ow!
I feel like this combat is very simple. The only reason it looks complicated is because the camera keeps moving and all of the NPCs are casting their own spells.
Two of us.
So, you know, I don't control them.
I mean,
Ara's
I'm controlling one of them. I can't even
Ara's
see him half the
controlling
time.
one of them.
Fine.
But yeah. But like, I beat this game when I was, you know, I was like 13
Baby me.
when I beat this game for the first time.
Yay?
Yeah.
Is it gonna become a bigger dick?
Summon spirit of darkness. The opposite of that would be the summon spirit of light, right?
Yeah, but why do you ask?
Well, Luna was saying she wanted us to bring Asuka, so
Yes. Considering the time we'll need to spend to find Asuka, we should save the summoned spirit of light for last.
I wonder why Asuka left the Guardian Tower of Mana.
He probably just ran away to find some chicks.
Whoa.
You're confusing him with yourself, Zelos. Anyway, here we go.
Maybe Asuka got sad because their best friend Mythos broke their promise.
Yeah, probably.
Oh man, this is exactly how Shadow the Hedgehog was born.
Right.
I don't even remember how
Like the
Shadow looks
little
like.
Shadow dicks.
Yeah, in a tube. Yo!
Man.
This is
Oh, man, I remember
chaos.
this guy. It is chaos.
It's chaos.
Mythos and I pact.
Oh, I love this guy. Cute, right?
we're doing the same thing that the legendary hero once did.
I am Sheena. I ask that thou annulst thy pact with Mythos and establish a new pact with me.
You like this? I love the designs and fight. Yeah. Very to the point, this guy. Oh,
Yeah, I need to switch. I need to see.
weird shadow freak, right? He's so cool.
Mhm.
I totally forgot he looked like this. But he
They all
totally
have-
he totally looks like Chaos from Sonic the Hedgehog. The blue guy. It looks like someone who would be in Sonic, yeah.
Oop.
Oh! You took
I
it
don't
away from
remember
me.
What that was?
Me neither.
Oh, that was the drain charm. Here we go.
I don't know any light attacks. You know who knows light attacks? Colette.
Oh man, Colette. Do you want to be Colette?
I don't have anything. I don't know anything about Colette. I mean, we could see if we need to rearrange the party, you know. I like games where, depending on what you equip on them, it shows up on the character.
Yeah.
Like, I would love to see all the accessories, like, hanging off of the characters.
Right. What if I kick Lloyd out of the party?
Bye, Lloyd. Have fun.
And
Holy song.
yeah, it's just
Oh, that's just a buff. Future Tales games with visible cosmetics. Yo. That'll be fun. That'll be exciting. Something to look forward to. Oh, I've got ads in like 50 seconds.
Torrential paraball.
Huh? What's paraball? Are they balls?
I think so.
You can get ridiculous with it? Hell yeah.
When are your ads?
In 20 seconds.
Oh, should I wait?
No, it's fine.
If y'all wait, no. I have pre-roll ads on, but I won't have ads after the pre-roll. Come over here. Watch your upcoming Berseria series. Yeah. Waiting for you to stream that. Here we go. I'm gonna try being Colette.
Okay, have fun.
Show your strength.
Watch out for the magic.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Gina's dying.
Are you okay? I beg of you to reveal thy glory. Our angel feathers!
It doesn't seem like it's making any difference.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm ruining your casting.
My casting. Does Sheena not have, like, light cards? That's double Demon Fang. Ooh, whoa. I would like to get away from here. Oh, no.
Here, I got her.
Oh, you got her. This is gonna take a while. Oh, he's here!
Run.
Ready?
Run.
I can't.
Run.
I'm running.
Oh, Holy One, cast thy purifying light upon
Sorry if you can't see.
It's fine. It's fine. I don't need to see. Ouch!
He actually doesn't really have any weaknesses.
Oh.
This can't be good.
Oh my god, Rain.
Rain is dying.
Ready for this?
Oh, you're dying too. Oh shit.
Thanks. Watch out, run.
Oh,
Not the face.
Oh, Holy One,
my face. Help.
are you okay?
I'm trying to run.
Are you okay?
Oh.
First aid. Ready for this? First aid.
Oh, we did it.
Rain.
Double healing with Rain.
Casanova.
Nah,
You don't waste any words, do you?
that's fine.
For the sake of creating a place in which the two worlds must no longer sacrifice one another, I ask that you lend me your power.
It really is chaos. Yeah.
You thought he said wow.
We did it. The healing stream actually takes a long time to fucking cast.
Now all we need to do is form the pact with the summoned spirit of light, and we can sever another mana link. All right, we're counting on you for the next one too, Sheena.
You got it.
Yay.
Yeah,
What was that Casanova thing?
it's a title.
Why did I get that during battle? Their icons look so funny.
I know. It is the man's dream, the ever sought after ambition. A true man will have this title. I don't.
But why?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? What did I do? Don't you get that from talking to all the girls? Isn't this the slut title? What does Loudmouth do?
No, that one is something else.
A true man.
Casanova.
Okay. No, I don't want this.
Oh, wait. Fight with a party of 3 females during battle. Oh, okay.
Okay.
3 other girls, yeah. That's so
Excellent.
funny. How have I
Excellent.
not done that? Well, it's because I'm always Lloyd.
Because you're always Lloyd, yeah. That's hilarious.
Okay, time to put Regal and Persea.
Yeah.
Nicknamed the Shiny Chinchu. That's like the little blue pancake with the
Oh,
antennas.
those are cute.
They turn into the lanternfish.
You should call it
And then this
pancake.
guy, pancake. It should be pancake.
Pancake.
IHOP.
IHOP. I guess we're both in the same like
We're all thinking of pancakes.
thinking about pancakes. IHOP. I haven't been to IHOP in ages. I feel like I kind of we've been to IHOP so many times, like as an after church like lunch thing. I kind of got tired of it.
IHOP. It was Denny's.
Well, IHOP too.
Well, every now and then we do IHOP.
'Cause I would
if we
always
wanted
get-
to mix it up a little.
I would always get the steak omelet with
Yeah.
with the
After a while,
pancakes
I
on
got
the side.
Tired of. Yeah. The only thing good there was like their steak omelet.
You were at IHOP 30 years ago.
years
That's
ago.
wild. Darkness beam? That darkness beam was a lot of fun.
Really? All it does is make it pitch black. It's not any fun at all. Oh.
You're an idiot, Lloyd. Oh.
What? Why?
Darkness is great. It's the best chance to make your moves on a girl.
What?
You can do all sorts of things to them as much as you like.
No. Hey, Sheena, Zelos just said he's the one who had his hand on your butt.
Oh,
What did you say?
wait, stop. It's a misunderstanding. I haven't touched you yet.
Yet?
Yet?
Lloyd's not as clueless as he, like, makes himself out to be.
He knows he can get Sheena to...
Immediately.
He knows... He knows he can get Sheena to fucking fuck his shit up by saying that he touched her butt or some shit. Brandish his gun. IHOP or Den... I would choose IHOP. I'm sorry.
Really?
Yeah.
I would choose Denny's.
No, I would choose IHOP because Denny's fucking every time we go there. Every time we go there.
But that depends on the Denny's.
No, every Denny's we've been through, the fucking wait time is like an hour.
Wait. Has IHOP been better though? You don't know Denny's at all, Luke? One day we'll go to a Denny's with Luke, just so he can experience Denny's.
They're both kind of.
The world will be freed from Crucius very soon. Then what will happen?
The worlds will split apart, right? Isn't that fine? I can't imagine things getting any worse than they are now.
How can you be so easygoing about this? Aren't you worried at all? about what it'll be like after the world split?
Well, yeah, I would rather be on the side with the most cute honeys.
I should know better than to ask you.
Oh no.
I hope when you're sober, Denny's when you're drunk and don't
You
care
know?
about what you're eating.
Yeah, like I would go to
Grilled
Denny's.
cheese, mozzarella sticks.
I do like
Can't
good
eat that with a
mozzarella
sober
sticks.
mind.
I do like good mozzarella sticks. But I usually go to Applebee's for mozzarella sticks.
I don't care for pointless battles.
That sounds really good though.
Like IHOP
But
for
it's
when
just,
I
like, more bread. Like mozzarella sticks already have breadcrumbs on it. Like why would you put it between a sandwich with more cheese?
clowns. Happy
Clowns.
New Year. I hope you're having a good one.
Yeah, we're just about to.
IHOP for where I don't know what to eat for breakfast, and Denny's for when I have the munchies late at night and there's nowhere else fucking open.
Oh man, true.
To think the arena and the prison were connected. Good job, Regal. I wonder if he...
It is a shameful thing that I knew that. Well, but thanks to that, we were able to rescue Kate, so don't worry about it.
Even if you searched all of Tetheala, you wouldn't find another noble who's got connections to high society, big business, and the jail cell.
Hey, Zelos, knock it off. It's a really shameful thing.
Well, you
Okay,
know...
I'm gonna save here. I think you were talking about something before I activated the skit.
I forgot what it was. Denny's never tried a silly PR stunt to change one of its letters?
Really?
How did I miss this? What was IHOP trying to change? Which letter was it trying to change? The hop part? I mean, the I part? How did I miss this?
Not international.
The only
But
thing
also, like,
Denny's had
the
going
only thing I
for
really
it.
liked about Denny's, yeah, it was like the collab it did with The Hobbit.
Yeah, that was the most I've ever been to Denny's and the most fun I ever had at a Denny's.
Oh yeah, wait, the burger stunt. I kind of remember that.
What? What do you mean burgers?
They wanted to be burgers instead of pancakes.
For reals?
Bullshit. International House of Bullshit.
I mean, there is
I remember that.
there is like an original International House of Pancakes that's real salty about the fact that IHOP is really big.
Yeah, we have one.
Yeah.
nearby here. I just
They're-
don't want to dock 'em.
They're
But
okay. They're all right. Their pancakes are okay.
the only reason I don't really like that place is because I ordered potato pancakes on the side, and I thought it was like made with, I thought it was gonna be pancakes made with potatoes,
Oh no.
but it was a hash brown.
It's hash
And I was
brown.
like, this isn't a pancake. This is a fucking hash brown. And it was like, it was crunchy as fuck. It wasn't like. So like, that's the only thing I have against that place. They have good.
I
have
thought
really
they meant
good,
like, for people who don't like flour pancakes for like allergy reasons, they use like potato powder or something.
Yeah.
To
So I
make-
thought it was gonna be like potato bread, like like the bread that you get from
Yeah,
that's
from
that has
Vaughn's or whatever.
potatoes in it.
That's a potato loaf
Yeah.
of bread.
A
Denny's had a
latke, but
good-
It was literally written potato pancake in the menu.
Just
so,
say
like,
hash browns.
right? They have really good German pancake though. It doesn't come with fruit, so if you order the German pancake, I would suggest getting fruit on the side.
The angry pancake.
Yeah.
Denny's had a
I
good
really
ass
did like
Hobbit
the-
collab. They did. I feel like every collab after the Hobbit that it tried to do just wasn't.
Yeah, it didn't add up.
Yeah, it
It's
wasn't
because hobbits
great.
have good taste in
They
food,
do. You're
know?
right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Like, I guess the only way they'd be able to follow it up is if they had like a collab with fucking Dungeon Meshi or whatever.
Yo,
You
that'd
know?
be kind of cool. I'd go for a Dungeon Meshi collab.
Yeah. I haven't
This-
watched a single episode, but
Has,
you know,
has Denny's done any other collabs lately?
I think they did with like the Marvel stuff.
Marvel?
Dungeon Meshi collab would be so good. It would probably only be like Denny's in Japan or something.
Man,
You know if anything in Japan has done one? There hasn't been like a pop-up cafe with Dungeon Meshi.
that's
I know
interesting.
Uma Musume had one.
I want to go to an Uma
Might still
Musume
be
cafe.
happening. Nvidia.
I want to go to an Uma Musume cafe and have them put like a cardboard cutout life size of Major Orion across from me.
Yeah.
What do you
Steal
mean?
the
What do you mean
cardboard.
Nvidia? What do you mean
Is it
Nvidia?
Denny's or just like a random cafe pop-up Nvidia pop-up cafe?
They give you a cake that's in the shape of like a GPU or some shit. Like, what do you mean?
It's all like stuff that's gamer colors, you know, like black and
No, but
bright green or black.
yeah,
and
yeah.
bright
Nvidia
red.
is black and green. Like
Yeah.
they
Anyway,
give you like a cracker that looks that looks like a CPU or some shit.
Oh my god.
They give you
Who's streaming?
a PC shaped cake. What did they do with this? Who's
Oh,
up?
Allie is up.
Started
New
as
year,
a
new hot
dishwasher at Denny's. That is wild. That is wild.
Oh. So Allie's doing a hot tub stream.
Huh? Huh? What do you mean a hot tub stream?
A hot tub stream.
Did she throw the Muppet into a hot tub?
That's what it looks like.
Free GPU
Yeah,
with
thank you
every
all
pancake?
for coming.
That's
Oh,
like the
wait.
cheapest GPU.
For reals? How much were the... how
Are you
much
being
was
for
the
reals,
pancake?
Joshy? Are you being for reals? Are you being for reals? For reals? I have to ask this because I take things so seriously.
Can you imagine?
Someone
No.
gave me a ceramic skull model of a Chihuahua skull, right? And he told me it was the real skull of his past Chihuahua pet. And I was
No.
like, for reals? And I was so serious, and they were like, no, why would I have that? I'm like, bro,
Oh,
no, you
no.
can't do that to me.
No.
You have to say psych right
all
after, or
want
else
to
I'm gonna take it
raid
so
into-
seriously.
Do we all want to raid into like one person and then go, or do you want to come here?
Yeah, I can throw everybody at you, and then
Okay.
yeah, let me
Yeah, and then
Where's
R
my
will be
brain
up
button?
again in like half an hour.
in a
But my
bit.
head is starting to hurt.
Yeah.
So thank you all for coming. We'll probably do this again tomorrow, right around the same time.
Wrong button. Yeah. We can do that. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break long enough to warrant not keeping the stream up.
Yeah. Or you know, we could raid into you and then like chill out for half an hour.
For half an hour? Oh my
You
god.
can run all your ads.
All my ads. I'm gonna run, what are those? Like 30-minute ads every 8 minutes. Was that what it was? 5-minute ads. 5-minute ads every 8 minutes.
Everybody step away from your computer.
Keep-
You'll be at work at this time tomorrow. Good luck.
Good luck,
Kaitan.
Rez. Or Kaitan. Sorry, your name's the same color as Rez. Just run ads during ASMR footage. Listen, of a lake, I wish I
For
was
30
near
minutes.
enough a lake to do that.
Do you want to do that, or do you want to
No.
like? No.
I'm gonna throw we're
So
we're
just-
in your
Okay.
we're in your chat.
But it also